Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to discuss line graphs. The graphs below show the size of the ozone hole over Antarctica and the production of three ozone damaging gases from 1980 to 2000. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparison where relevant. Here, what is there in the line graph? See, you can see the size of ozone layer over Antarctica. Square kilometer in thousands, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. And then it is from 1980 to 2000. And then there is three damaging gases to ozone layer. CFC, CFC 11, 12 and N2O. Then tons in millions, 20, 40, 60, 80 from 1980 to 2000. This is same. Next is, so let's see how we can describe this properly in IELTS writing. Task 1. So how we are going to begin? The given line graphs illustrate the changes in ozone hole size over the Antarctica region and the amount of three gases produced which caused damage to it from 1980 to 2000. This is clear. So the introduction is clear about the both line graphs. Then we will describe it in detail that in 1980, the size of ozone hole was about 400,000 square kilometers, which was the smallest during the given time. But 20 years later, it grew dramatically to 3.6 million square kilometers, increasing by 9 times. So let's see where they have mentioned it, that 20 years later how it grew dramatically to 3.6. Here you can see it was this only under 1000. Then it reached to this in thousands. So this is clear that by the end it grew up to this. There was a reduction in the size in early 90s from 2 to 1.2 million square kilometers. So let's see where this reduction can be seen in 90s. See here you can see the reduction 90 to 95. You can see there is a decrease. Then after that there is a constant increase. So next we will describe three damaging gases to ozone layer because we have described the main features in the above line graph. In 1980, about 70 million tons of CFC-11 were produced, which remained stable for 3 years before undergoing a steady decline to below 10 million tons in late 90s. So let's see from 80s to 90s how it was there. This one, see, from 80 to 90. So you can clearly see decline in late 90s. See, so there is clearly a decline. The production of CFC-12 on the other hand showed an upward trend throughout the 20-year period from 25 to 50 million tons, surpassing the production of CFC-11 in 1989. See, so the CFC-11 and CFC-12, you can see the difference. How to see it? You can see this was 11. So this is the 12 one. See, you can see what they have mentioned. That on the other hand, upward trend था. ठीक है, और एक बार ये इसके साथ मैच भी हुआ, वो तो you can see in 89 here. This is 90. So in 89 they matched. This is 90. ठीक है, here यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, ये दोनों एक दूसरे को क्रॉस किए हैं, otherwise it was going upward. Fine. So let's move to the next one, N2. N2O, however, was not produced until 1990, but its production grew rapidly to 40 million tons by 2000. देखिए पहले तो थी ही नहीं N2O 1990 तक, उसके बाद वो रैपिडली ग्रीव कर गई 40 मिलियन टन। देखते हैं हम N2O कौन सी है, ये रही, हमें भी दिख ही रहा है, पहले इट वाज नॉट देयर। 1990 के बाद ये सीधा ही, इसमें यू कैन सी द इंक्लाइन। So now we will see how we can write the overall. So guys, overall the two graphs indicate that the CFC12 and N2O contributed to the expansion of the ozone hole over Antarctica in the last 2 decades of 20th century. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि दोनों ग्राफ ने क्या इंडिकेट किया कि CFC12 और जो N2O थी वो उसने एक्सपेंशन में ओजोन लेयर के इसमें कंट्रीब्यूट किया है पिछले 2 डेकेड्स में। तो यू कैन सी दैट CFC12 और N2O ये कैसे कर रही हैं उसको अफेक्ट। सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन राइट line graph, especially when there are 2 line graphs. You need not to explain each and every data. You just have to describe the main data and main features. Thank you.